Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about omnipresence and what that means in the world of business and how you can use it to your benefit. All right, omnipresence in the world of business. That's what we're talking about. And what does it mean? Well, that refers to a brand or a company's ability to be present and visible across all channels or various channels and touch points. This means online and offline. So in a way that it appears to be everywhere, right? Like, I don't know if you realize this, but like in some airports, literally Coca-Cola machines are placed a certain distance apart just so it seems like there's one on every corner. And it's that omnipresence that targets an audience. So this concept has gained some importance in the digital age, especially. So as consumers have more options and platforms to engage with business, I'm going to give you some awesome reasons why omnipresence is important in business and how to use it to your benefit. Okay? So really, what's the first benefit? Well, the first benefit is going to be brand recognition, right? Being omnipresent helps in building brand recognition. So when your brand is consistently visible across different platforms, consumers are going to be more likely to remember and recognize it the next time they see it, which can lead to increased trust and loyalty. Okay. Next is market penetration. So by having a presence in multiple channels, you can kind of reach a wider and more diverse audience. This allows you to penetrate different market segments, different demographics, increasing your potential customer base. This is kind of like fishing with a cast net instead of a fishing pole. Okay, it casts a wider net. All right, next I would say it's customer engagement. Customer engagement enables you to engage with your customers on their preferred platforms. So you can respond to inquiries, provide customer support, and gather other feedback more effectively where they're comfortable, which leads to more credibility. A brand that is everywhere appears to be more credible and trustworthy, okay? Just plain and simple. Consumers are more likely to trust a company that has a consistent and widespread presence. How do you think Dollar General and Dollar Store and all those have gained the trust of people? Because they seem like they're everywhere. And when they're everywhere, they must be okay. This gives them a competitive advantage. So maintaining a strong presence across multiple channels can give you a competitive edge. It makes it harder for the competition to come in and steal your customers or your market share. So I'm going to give you some strategies on how to use omnipresence to your benefit. First, you want to look at multi-channel marketing. Seems kind of basic, right? But utilize various marketing challenges and channels, including social media, email marketing, content marketing, traditional advertising, and all, to tailor your content to each channel to make it more effective. Next, you want to be consistent branding. Maintain a consistent brand image and message across all the channels. Don't bounce around, make it uniform. Your logo, your color scheme, and your messaging should be recognizable and uniform. Next would be content marketing. You got to create high quality and relevant content that provides value to your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, all that good stuff. Share this content on multiple platforms. Social media engagement. All y'all shouldn't have much trouble with this because we're all buried in our phones all day anyway. So actively engage with your audience on social media platforms, right? Create compelling posts that create a transaction, right? You've either got a post or you've got an engagement. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in discussions related to your industry, which makes you an expert. Next would be online advertising. You got to use online advertising such as Google ads and social media ads to target specific audiences. That's what we did here at the show. We went after specific audiences, and that's how we were able to grow. 72 countries, almost 112,000 subscribers. This allows you to present where your potential customers are spending their time online. Now, with that being said, on online advertising, you have to have offline presence. Don't forget about the offline world. You got to attend trade shows, sponsor events, and use other traditional marketing methods like billboards or direct mail to grow your brand. Do it. They make sense for your business. Do it. Next, I'm a big data guy, data and analytics. Use data and analytics to understand where your audience is more active and tailor your omnipresence and strategy towards that. Next, adapt to trends. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in marketing and adjust your omnipresent strategy to include emerging platforms and channels that are on the rise. Remember, omnipresence doesn't mean spreading yourself too thin. All right? It's about strategically choosing the right channels and platforms to effectively reach your target audience. I'm going to say that again. It's about strategically choosing the right channels and platforms to effectively reach your target market, target audience. It also requires a commitment to maintaining consistency and engaging presence over a long period of time. Remember, this is a marathon, it's not a race. I hope you guys have a great day. Be safe, take care, sell a bunch, find somebody, and say something nice to them.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.